Welcome to Kiddo's Kingdom channel.
Hey kids, let's take flight and explore the world of birds. Discover the names of different birds, from robins to eagles, parrots to hummingbirds. Learn about their unique features. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
American robin. American robin. Bald eagle. Bald eagle. Barn owl. Barn owl. Blue jay. Blue jay. Cardinal. Cardinal. Chickadee. Chickadee. Crow. Crow. Dove. Dove. Eagle. Eagle. Goldfinch. Goldfinch. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Kingfisher. Kingfisher. Pecan. Pecan. Nightingale. Nightingale. Parrot. Parrot. Sparrow. Sparrow. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. Pigeon. Pigeon. Rosebreast grosbeak. Rosebreast grosbeak.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.